Bathroom designs. What are the latest trending designs in 2021 and 2022 for bathrooms? Bathroom colors. What colors you should use in bathroom? Small bathroom से कौन से colors use करना है? Big bathroom से कौन से colors use करना है? And in general आपको कौन से colors जो है वो bathroom में avoid करना है? Bathroom accessories. What are the different types of accessories available for bathrooms? And कौन सी accessories आपको कहाँ use करनी है? अगर आपको online accessories purchase करनी है तो कौन से वो काफी reliable and affordable sources है जहाँ से आप online accessories purchase कर सकते हो? Wash basins. What are the different types of basins available फॉर बाथरूम एंड अभी ट्रेंड में क्या चल रहा है, कौन से स्पेस में कैसे वॉश बेसिन्स आपको यूज करना है. बाथरूम कैबिनेट्स एंड वैनिटीज. व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कैबिनेट्स एंड वैनिटीज अवेलेबल फॉर बाथरूम. कौन से स्पेस में कौन से कैबिनेट्स एंड वैनिटी यूनिट्स आपको यूज करनी है. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आई एम गोना बी कवरिंग इन टुडेज वीडियो. Hi guys, this is Vaishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am an architect and interior designer and on this channel I make videos related to interior designing and architecture. वीडियो का brief मैंने एक दे दिया काफी अच्छे से कि मैं क्या क्या चीजें इस वीडियो में कवर करने वाली हूँ. So I hope you guys find this video informative and helpful. But make sure you guys watch the entire video क्योंकि हमेशा की तरह I am going to be talking about some tips and tricks in between the video. So I definitely do not want you guys to miss out on anything. So please make sure you guys watch the video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And without wasting any further time, let's begin with the video. Let's start with the trends of 2021 and 2022 for bathroom designs. I'm going to talk about the trends on the basis of material. First one is wooden looking tiles and wall coverings. Wooden textures and patterns are definitely making a comeback, not just for wall coverings but also for floor and wash basin countertops. Best thing is now you get different variety of wooden looking tiles for floor and walls, which is perfect and suitable for bathrooms. Second is stone and marble. Stone and marble with a touch of wooden counter is what I have seen making a comeback this year. Stone, marble and wood are natural textures which blends beautifully with every color, hence looks very elegant. Third is metal touch. Adding little bit of metal in form of accessories and fixtures can definitely add that glamour element in the bathrooms. Best example for this is using a copper, gold and chrome taps, and this has been a trend for years and I'm sure this year again this is not going anywhere. Moving on, let's talk about bathroom colors. Colors that should be used for smaller bathrooms includes cool tone colors to give it an illusion of a bigger space. And these are the colors that you should use for smaller bathrooms positively. Aqua is definitely one of the best colors to use. Heather gray, lavender or lilac color is definitely a trend this year. Light turquoise is again a very beautiful color. Muter gray is another color to give it a very decent and very subtle look. Sand is something which I've seen a lot of clients use this year. Sea green, sky blue and tan are another colors which you should use in the smaller bathrooms. Now moving on, colors to use in bigger bathrooms. For bigger bathrooms, best colors are soft gray, bright white, charcoal and light blue green and pistachio. You can also go with warm tone colors to add depth and warmness in the bigger bathrooms. Now colors to avoid in general. I personally do not like yellow to be used in the bathroom and any darker shade color should not be used for bathroom because light colors gives that feeling of refreshness and relaxation, which is a main purpose of bathrooms, right? And the most important tip here that I want to give you guys is to avoid use of any one color in the entire bathroom because that is going to make it compact and it is going to look very monotonous, which shouldn't be the case. And the best color to use in any bathroom is entire white. So these are the colors that you should use for smaller bathrooms and bigger bathrooms. Let's move on to bathroom accessories. The important accessories that are included in the bathroom are shower shelves, towel rails, holders, bins, soap dispensers and bathroom trays. Trending colors and materials for bathroom accessories are frosted glass. Stainless steel is pretty common and it's always in trend. Gold and copper metal accessories are something which add that glam element in the bathroom, as I've already mentioned. So if you want to give that luxury element in your bathroom, definitely go with gold and copper or any metal accessories. Online shopping options. There are a lot of websites and apps from where you can buy these bathroom accessories, but the main ones I'm going to talk about those. First one is Amazon, second is IKEA, third is Myntra. On Amazon you can check Home Center, obviously. Alton is a brand from where you can check accessories. There is a brand called Bathla for towel rails and shower shelves. You'll also find Kohler and Plantex for premium bathroom accessories and hardware. Asian Paints also has good range of bath fittings. If you want to check out, I'll mention the link in the description box. Or if you want me to make a detailed video on different ranges available with Asian Paints, I can do that as well because I work with Asian Paints. So let me know about that. Alright, this was all about the bathroom accessories. Now let's move on to basins. Bathroom basins and sinks. So sinks basically we use for kitchen, wash basins we use for bathrooms. The difference is basically in sinks we have double bowls or single bowl, but that comes with a stopper in which we can store the water, repurpose or reuse that water for washing utensils, while that is not the case with wash basins. That is the main purpose and that is the main difference, I guess. There are different wash basins available on the basis of types and the shapes. So different types of wash basins that are available are wall mounted, pedestal wash basins, countertop, undermount wash basins, and floating wash basins. On the basis of shapes, you get different types of wash basins. So there are rectangular shapes available, there are oval shape available, there are bowl basins which are available. Now, कौन सा type कहाँ use करना है, that is completely dependent on the design that you are choosing, and also that is dependent on the size of bath. It is completely requirement based. Now moving on, let's talk about the affordable brands available for bathroom base. So I'll first talk about very affordable and durable good quality brands which are very commonly used. So these are Hindware, Jaquar, Kohler, Aquent and Cera. Now there are other brands which are affordable as well and which are also quite popularly known and is used commonly. These brands are Toto, Duravit and Perrier. I'm going to talk about bathroom cabinets and vanities now. So what exactly are bathroom cabinets and vanities? So cabinets basically is your base cabinets and wall cabinets. There can be different types of cabinets and vanity units for bathrooms in which you have sleek wall cabinets, you get mirror cabinets or vanities, you get freestanding base cabinets, you get tall vanity units, you get corner storage cabinets. There are smart vanity cabinets as well. So nowadays in market there are a lot of designs available for base cabinets as well as wall cabinets. There are certain options also available which are like readily available in the market. You just have to purchase those and fix those for your bathrooms. Again, there are a lot of designs. There is no restriction, there is no boundaries. Whatever design you want, you can easily customize that nowadays. So yeah, these are some of the examples for base cabinets and wall cabinets. And vanity units are also a part of the wall storage only. It's just a different name that we use for, storage cabinets. So this entirely sums up my complete video on bathroom designs. I hope you guys found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or any queries, please let me know in the comments down below. I will mention my email ID as well. If you want to reach out to me for anything, do write me. I would be happy to help. And I just hope you guys find this informative and helpful. If you did find this video informative and helpful, then make sure you like the video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.